So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into an AI coding showdown. So we have Qwen 2.5 coder versus Cloud versus the classic VS Code. So which one is the best for coding assistant? So let's break it all down right here. Feature, speed, accuracy, and overall experience. So stick around to find out which AI tools should you be using. So first things first, we're gonna go to Qwen 2.5 coder. It's Alibaba's AI model built specifically for code generation and debugging. Then we have Cloud, an anthropic AI, known for its conversational abilities, but also capable of assisting with code. And you also have VS Code, the classic and widely used IDE, often paired with AI plugins like Copilot, GitHub, and Tab9. So let's put them to the test. Code generation. So first we're testing how well each tool generates code. So we're going to ask the tree to write a Python script that fetches live data using API. So we already asked it, and the results are Qwen 2.5 generated efficient, well-structured code with clear comments. It's also suggested, alternative APIs. Cloud did also well in understanding prompt or and explaining its code, but occasionally included minor syntax errors. And VS Code doesn't really, generate code by itself, but extension like Copilot, it offers real-time, suggestion while typing. So that's pretty cool. So Qwen wins in accuracy, while Claude is great for beginner who needs explanation. And VS Code, it's okay. Uh, it's pretty good with the AI plugin. It's best for real-time assistant. Now, section 3 is debugging capabilities. So, let's talk about debugging. We fed each tool a faulty, JavaScript function, asked them to fix it. Qwen 2.5 pinpointed the error quickly and provided an optimized fix. Cloud found the issue but gave more theoretical explanation rather than, an immediate fix. And VS Code highlights syntax error but relies on AI extension to suggest solution. If you want hands-free debugging, Qwen AI 2.5, Coder is the best bet. And speed matters when you're coding under pressure. So here's how they compare. Qwen 2.5, fast, efficient, built for code-heavy tasks. Cloud is slower at processing large code base but provides detailed reasoning. VS Code is instantaneous for writing but depends plugins for AI support. So for real-time code assistant, VS Code plus AI plugins, let's say you can have black box, Codinium or Agent Force Assistant. You can use that one. So that's pretty cool. And but Qwen is the clear winner. So best used scenario here. Qwen 2.5 coder if you want an AI that can generate, debug, and optimize your code quite efficiently. So choose this one. And if you want explanation or code reviews for AI powered, brainstorming, you can use Cloud and use VS Code if you want real time assistant while writing your code. So there you have it, guys. Qwen is the AI coding powerhouse, and Cloud is great for explanation and VS Code remains, and the best for hands-on development. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech reviews. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.